everyone, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to make a Snapchat private account. Are you concerned with your privacy on Snapchat? If you are, then you need to follow all the steps that are provided in this video without skipping. So first thing first, open the Snapchat application. Make sure you have logged in into your Snapchat account. Then after that, you need to tap on profile icon or the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on this profile page, tap on gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you reach on the settings page, scroll down and under privacy control, you'll be able to find out various options. First of all, you need to tap on contact me option. Here I have set to friends and contact. Simply you need to select on friends here. Tap on OK, and once you have done this, let's go back again to that page and tap on view my story. So here I have set to friends only. You can select custom and select the custom privacy here. Let's tap on block. Once you have done that, get back from here and go to the comments settings. On this page, you can select manually approve so that all comments need to be approved by you. Once you have done that, let's come back and go to see me in quick add. Let's untick mark this. Then this will not show you in the quick add as well. Go back again and tap on see my location. Here you need to simply toggle on this ghost mode. I have already done. If you haven't, then you need to turn on that. So when enabled, your friends can't see your profile location. Come back, and when you have done this all the settings, your Snapchat account has been set to the private account. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any videos from this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.